look closely, you will realize that this portion of the walnut looks like the right hemisphere of your brain, and this is right here, very similar to how your brain looks. Nature is more intelligent than you think. There are countless examples like this, but for the sake of this video, I limit myself to top 5 plant-based foods that your brain loves. Did you know that your brain is just 2% of your total body weight but consumes 20% of the total calories you eat? 20%, and that's quite a lot. So it's important to pay attention to where those calories come from. A plant-forward homemade diet is a great place to start. However, there are certain foods that your brain loves. After all, 60% of your brain is made up of fat tissues. Brain's fat content is essential for its function, as the fat forms this myelin sheet, enabling quick and efficient signal transmission, where DHA, which is a type of omega-3, and other lipids are integral to cell membrane fluidity, which is critical for neuron communication. So this was the brief about the brain's anatomy. Now it's important to know that the brain-related disorders such as dementia, which is a decline in cognitive abilities, is on the rise. More than 8 million Indians are currently living with dementia. Worldwide, there are over 55 million people living with dementia, with this number expected to double every 20 years. By the way, 60 to 80% of dementia is Alzheimer's disease. For those who do not know what Alzheimer is, it is a progressive neurological disorder that causes the brain cells to degenerate and die, leading to continued decline in memory, thinking abilities, and behavioral skills. In the early stages, the person starts to forget things, and over time it could worsen to such an extent that they start to forget their family members or familiar places and so forth. So guys, prevention is better than cure. If you are in your 30s and 40s, it's important to take care of your brain by providing it with specific nutrients that will help you boost your brain power and keep you in tip-top shape, especially for your later years. So walnut, with its high fat content, are incredible for your brain health. They are rich in omega-3s, ALA, antioxidants, and vitamin E, which supports brain structure and reduces oxidative stress. The next food, or shall I say food category, are leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and any other leafy greens. They are high in lutein, folate, beta-carotene, and vitamin K, which are directly linked to better cognitive performance. Now, I have linked all research in the description below in case you want to explore the nerdy side of you. Next on the list are flaxseed and chia seeds. Just like walnuts, they are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, and fiber, which supports cell membranes and reduce inflammation. Coffee is next on the list. Coffee in moderation, 1 to 3 cups a day, that contains less than 400 mg of caffeine, can be good for your brain. A few observational studies associate regular coffee consumption with a lower risk of getting Alzheimer. Now, observational studies can show associations but cannot prove causation. For example, coffee consumption might correlate with lower Alzheimer's risk, but this does not mean that coffee prevents Alzheimer's. It could be due to other factors like lifestyle or genetics. Having said that, if multiple high-quality observational studies show similar associations, it strengthens confidence in the findings. I've listed a few observational studies in the description below. Finally, the list cannot be complete without me mentioning berries. Blueberries, raspberries, basically all types of berries. Berries are incredibly high in antioxidants like flavonoids, especially anthocyanin. Over time, free radical damage the brain cells, contributing to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. However, antioxidants in berries neutralizes free radicals, reducing brain cell damage. Berries may support neurogenesis, which is the formation of new neurons, and enhance neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections. Compounds in berries influence pathways like the BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factors, which is critical for learning and memory. Now, if you live in India, You do not need to go for exotic, expensive berries like blueberries. India is home to a variety of berries like jamun, shaitut, and of course, amla berries. The idea is simple. Choose fresh, local, seasonal, and organic if possible. That's it for today. If you like the video, subscribe for more healthy and fresh content like this. I'm Akash. Thanks for watching.